a gas chainsaw, but I don't want it to smell like it all day. So I'm using this little electric one, battery power. Battery power. It's hot. Planted this tree, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. Maybe been a little longer. But didn't realize it'd get that tall, that big, and it's messing up my concrete. Well, I don't want it to mess up my concrete. I'm afraid it eventually it's going to mess up my concrete in my barn. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop it down. There it goes. Slowly. Pretty good sized tree. I've cut a couple limbs off of it too before I started cutting the base with that little Worx battery power, 20 volt, 10-inch bar. Had this thing for about a year. One time I just use it for cutting up little pieces for the fire pit, but this little thing has impressed me. It sure has. Alright, see y'all next time.